जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा लेक्चर है एक्सरसाइज 2.8 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। बिफोर दैट आई एक्सप्लेन दैट हाउ टू फाइंड द square root or how to calculate the length of the side of a rectangle or the length of the side of a square. But today that our shape is not a rectangle or not a square, circular shape. The statement of the question: the cost of the leveling the ground of the circular region at a rate of rupees 2 per square meter. So then what is the total price of that one? Of leveling that 4928. Find the radius of the ground. But the question is that the statement area तो उसने दिया नहीं है, then how to find out its radius? Because to find out the radius, first of all we need that area. But there is a clue that when area is multiplying by 2, then we will get this answer, because that is a circular region. We have start solution here. That is circular garden. So circular garden leveling mean that's a complete area. When this complete area is covered, so the price of to cover the complete area is 4928. Now total cost, $4,928, because it's rupees, so rupees. Correct. Area at the rate of rate, what is that? Rate is given that rupees 2 per square meter. Correct. So after that, area, what is that area? Area of circle, circular region. Circular region. Area of a circular region is that 4928 divided by 2. Correct. When we divide by 2, then what we will get the answer? That is area. That is area, which is denoted by A. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, and 2 4s are 8. That is the area, and area is always in square meter. And here don't write that per square meter, so you have to write per square meter is 1 over, or otherwise per square meter, short form per square meter. Okay, area हमारे पास आ गया. Then after that, the statement of the question, we have to find out the radius. And what is radius? Little bit change of this diagram to explain the radius, because that is shattered portion. There are too many lines, so that is a center. From center to the any point of the length of the any point of the circumference is called radius. We have to find out this radius, the length of this radius. So what is the area of the circular formula? So we need to use the formula of a area of a circular or circle. Good. Area of the circle formula is equal to A, area is equal to pi r square. While the value of pi is equal to 22 over 7. So we can also write in this form like pi r square is equal to area. What is area? 2464. Okay, that is the area. एरिया की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दी, नथिंग एल्स. इधर पुट करो उधर पुट करो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज इक्वल टू 22 over 7 r square 2464. So when it's shifting on the other side of the equal sign, so what change will occur? Reciprocal. Good. So we have to change its reciprocal. So reciprocal will become 7 over 22 multiplied by 2464. 22 को सेपरेट पीस करके भी आप कर सकते हो डिवाइड, वरना डायरेक्ट भी अगर आप करना चाहो तो डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. 22 ones are 22. So when I am dividing here direct, 22 ones are 22. All the remainder 2, 6 नीचे आएगा 26. Then again 21s are 22. 26 minus 22, what is that? 4. And this is also 4. नीचे आएगा 44. And 22 twos are 44. So what is remaining? 112 r square is equal to 7 multiplied by 112. So when you multiply by 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7 or 1 carry 8, and 7 ones are 7. We need a radius only. But we need the radius. This and this. Cancel. Here there are two methods that you can apply. Even you want to use the square root method, division method, or the prime factorization method. Both are correct. If I will use the method of the division, first of all I will check that the pair, okay, that is one pair, and second is not having a complete pair, and the answer is coming this place. So which is the first number? 2 twos are 4, because 3 3 the 9 is greater, so 2 twos are 4, 3 remainder. The next pair come down, double of 2 is equal to 4. The last digit 4 is coming in the two numbers. 2 twos are 4 and 8 eights are 64. 2 twos are 4 is very less, because 42 into 2, that answer will become 84, but our answer is 384. So we have to use that 8. 8 eights are 64. How much remaining? Carry 6. Then 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. Good. Finish. So what is the answer of the radius? The final answer of the radius is this one. So r is equal to 28. Question finish. He is asking about the radius. तरीका बता देता हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आपके पास सर्कुलर एरिया की कॉस्ट दी गई है, एरिया नहीं दिया गया, देन व्हाट यू विल डू द फर्स्ट स्टेप, द रेट, जो भी रेट दिया गया पर स्क्वायर मीटर, पहले उस रेट पे डिवाइड करेंगे. इफ द रेट इज 2 देन डिवाइडेड बाय 2, इफ द रेट इज 4 देन डिवाइडेड बाय 4. रेट को डिवाइड करने के बाद देन वी विल गेट द एरिया. When we will get the area, then use the formula of the circular area of a circular region. Put the value of area, correct? Then value of pi 22 over 7, shifting other side of the equal. So it's reciprocal. 7 into 112. So after cancellation, 112 multiplied by 7, the remaining answer is that final answer, because that is a square and we have to find only radius. That's why we have to take its root. So we take its root by division method or prime factorization method, no problem. Any method you can use that. Both are correct. So after simplification by using the division method, we will get the answer 28. But one mistake. What is that? Good. Because I did not mention the unit here. The unit must be mentioned, because We don't know that 28 meter, centimeter, or kilometer or feet. So that's why must be mentioned the unit. After that question complete. Okay.